On a warm sunny afternoon, the golden rays of the sun danced across the porch where Tony sat, savoring the stillness of the moment. Next to him, Shelley, the mother of their soon-to-be child, gently cradled her belly, a soft smile gracing her lips. The aroma of blooming flowers filled the air as they sipped on tall glasses of homemade lemonade, the sweet tartness bringing smiles to their faces. Tony had just received a card from his daughter, Lily, who was away at boarding college. He opened it with anticipation, the envelope crinkling as he revealed the colorful paper inside. "Happy Father's Day," it declared in bold letters, embellished with doodles and heartfelt words. He chuckled softly at her mention of the "world's okayest dad" turtle he had jokingly gifted himself last year. "Can you believe it? She's growing up so fast," Tony said, his eyes twinkling with pride. Shelley nodded, her own gaze drifting towards the horizon, lost in thoughts of their future. "And soon, we'll have another little one running around again," she replied, placing a hand on her belly. They traded stories about Lily, recalling her childhood antics and dreams for what lay ahead. Each laugh echoed into the afternoon, enveloped in warmth and anticipation. As the sun began to dip, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Tony raised his glass. "To family, old and new," he toasted, sparkling eyes reflecting the joy of the moment. "Happy Father's Day, Tony," Shelley beamed, and in that tranquil evening light, surrounded by love, he felt the bittersweet beauty of fatherhood in its purest form.